Eggless channel. Today is my special day. This is a Thanksgiving video for all my lovely subscribers. Thank you for reaching 5,000 subscribers. This video is dedicated to you. So in this video, I'm going to make a tic-tac cake. For this recipe, we don't need eggs or oven. So let's get started. To make the special Kit Kat cake, we need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, half cup of powder sugar, half cup of milk, half cup of oil, half cup of fresh curd, half teaspoon baking powder, quarter teaspoon baking soda, and half teaspoon vanilla essence. So that's it. Let's bake the cake. Before preparing the cake batter, let's preheat the pan with some salt in it and close the pan with a lid. To make the batter, take a bowl and put all the ingredients. First fresh curd, then powder sugar. Now mix this well. Let the sugar powder completely dissolve. Now add in the oil. It's combined well now. In this stage, let's add the baking soda and baking powder. And a pinch of salt too. Now add in the vanilla essence. To this fluffy texture, put the all-purpose flour. Mix everything together very well. Now add some milk to get the correct texture. To get the flowing texture, add the milk accordingly. See, this is the correct consistency. Here I am taking a ever-silver tiffin box as a cake mold. Grease the tiffin box with some oil and dust it with some flour. Like this. Now pour the cake batter. See how smooth the texture is. Pat the mold few times like this. It prevents air bubbles inside the batter. Now place the mold in the preheated pan and close it with the lid. Let it bake for 40 to 45 minutes. After 50 minutes, it has risen well. Let's wait for another 30 minutes. Until that, let's break some Kit Kat. Kit Kat is my favorite chocolate. How many of you like the Kit Kat chocolate? Comment below in the comment section. So now the Kit Kat is ready. Also, I'm having some colorful gems. Let's decorate the cake with this. After 45 minutes, the cake is baked well. To check that, I'm pricking the cake with the skewer. Wow, it came off so clear. Let the cake cool down completely off its own. I'm scrape the sides like this. Now turn the cake in a plate upside down. Wow, it bakes so perfectly. Very, very soft and spongy. Now let's decorate the cake with some Kit Kat, colorful jams and condensed milk. This condensed milk is to paste the Kit Kat cake. You can also add fresh curd or butter to paste the Kit Kat. Oh yes, it's finally done. I have pasted the Kit Kat all over the cake. Over this spongy soft cake, I'm going to use some colorful jams. Or you can sprinkle some powdered sugar over it. Now I am taking a red ribbon to tie the cake. It gives a beautiful and classic look to the cake. It looks amazing now. Now I feel like a professional baker. This cake is specially to you. So I have write a thank you note in a paper and paste it on a skewer and pricking on the cake. Yay! My cake is finally done. So once again, thank you so much for reaching 5,000 subscribers. So let's cut the cake. This Kit Kat cake is so yummy and delicious. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you. Bye bye.